Just a couple days ago I took a video out in the yard back in the cellar heading traps and everything, but I said you know, we had completely bare ground, early spring, and I said, well, I'm glad I didn't take the plastic off the pens because it's March and May and anything could happen. Well, we got 8 inches of snow overnight. Got it shoveled off the deck here, but everything else is melting like crazy. It's some heat to that sun. It's probably about 50. Coming off the trees pretty good. So yeah, kind of stopped me for a couple days outside anyway, but I got plenty to do in here. Done my traps, and I'll straighten up the cellar, put everything away, and carry on.